Uh-oh.
Effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana; Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana; Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake; and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City,
What is it with this pause?
nautical miles
Guys.
offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Oh, boy.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible.
This gives me the right to take a quick look, because I was not going to pay attention to this at all.
Radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
See what the chat's saying. Well, that came out of nowhere. We're not going to get anything. That's already gone. I'm probably still not going to pay much attention to this. A non-severe thunderstorm over us right now. This will be quick. I wasn't even going to pay attention to this event until we got that severe watch, so I missed a tornado warning for Greene County, which is fine, to be frank. Here's that TOR I was talking about. I didn't get this because I wasn't paying attention after the tornado watch, if I could find it, was issued for pretty much all of Wisconsin. I thought we were beamed, but that's until this got issued. So yeah, we might not be totally out of this after all. Severe Warning Bureau. Okay, here we go. Here we go with radios not activating. Only 3 went off.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has...
And this went off for an advisory. Wait a minute.
County in north central Illinois until 2 p.m.
Weather's not on this.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Walnut to near Providence, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
This one's on.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
This one's on.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include...
Unrecognized!
Spring Valley, Depew, Walnut, Ladd, Gwinnett, Sheffield, Chickasaw, Monroe, Dollarville, Buda, Bureau Junction, Ohio, Cherry, Malden, Manlius, Seatonville, Arlington, and Dover. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 42 and 73. Interstate 180 between mile markers 6 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Again?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued
Probably Lee and Ogle.
thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north central Illinois until 2 p.m.
Yep, Lee gets the SVR. We don't.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rock Falls Severe Grove, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles.
Can't get that.
And quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
So once again, Bureau gets an SVR, Lee gets an SVR, but not us.
Entries. Locations impacted include Nelson, Alvina, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Harmon, Lee Center, Napusa, Sublette, Dixon, Woodland Shores, Ashland, and Woodhaven Lake. Vehicles is expected. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Trees. Locations impacted include Nelson, Alvina, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Harmon, Lee Center, Napusa, Sublette, Dixon, Woodland Shores, Ashland, and Woodhaven Lakes. protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following county: Greene, Wisconsin.
It's a dang green rock tour. Okay, so marine warning MKX here. I just barely got this, and of course MKX is going to go wild. That's probably all I'm getting from them today. Here's the Bureau Severe. And here's the Lee Severe. I'm right here! You don't have to yell! Shut.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lee County in north central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County in north central Illinois, western DuPage County.
Can't get that.
Illinois until 2:30 p.m. At 1:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Franklin Road, or 9 miles north.
And that will probably be the last thing I get today.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated 2:30 p.m. Impact, expect damage beam. Sighting, entry was located over location impacted include Kirkland, Lee, Rochelle, Chandler, Malta, Sherwood, Hillcrest, Crescent, Stewart, Waterman, Ashton, and Lost Nation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Entries. Locations impacted include Kirkland, Lee, Kings, Rochelle, Hannah, Malta, Shavona, Hillcrest, Creston, Stewart, Waterman, Ashton, and Lost Nation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yep. Lee and Ogle get their warnings, but we don't. When there was clearly a severe thunderstorm happening over Whiteside County, that doesn't get issued. But yeah, no. We don't get a warning, but they do. We'll try and get this on 9:30. DeKalb, Grundy, Kendall, LaSalle. That's cool. First warning I've gotten on WKBM in a hot minute. Here it is, heading towards the south side. So I'm an idiot. I could have gotten stuff on 970 the last couple of events, but I didn't. Because the reception sucks, but you can clearly hear it here. Gosh, I feel so stupid. Grundy and LaSalle, and I didn't even see that one. And I missed it! I'm done. Cook, DuPage, and Will. Let's get this real quick. A. What? There. Oh my god. Man, this thing is really finicky. Didn't miss this one. Oh, great, I missed that. Columbia and Sauk, I missed that. I mean, I suppose I can check. But this has just been a terrible event. I'm missing stuff left and right. Yeah, that already went. I'm missing stuff left and right. Well, that answers my question.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southwest Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oswego, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and paths include Justice, Joliet, Clarendon Hills, Rayfield, Crest Hill, Orland Hills, Red Range, Naperville, Ely Park, Berwick. Orland Park,
What is this pause? Why did it pause? I don't get it.
Indian Head Park, Hinsdale, Austin, Darien, Woodridge, and Downers Road. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Literally 5 seconds before I said that. Guys, I have 10 catches on the day, and I know I could be doing far better, but my dumb self didn't realize WHA was as clear as it was in this room, and I keep missing alerts left and right. So it is at this moment that I've decided to not retire at the end of 2025 and come back for one last ride in 2026. DuPage and Kane now. The National Weather Service. Hail. Let me tend to... And as much as I hate missing stuff like this, it's clear that I needed this tune-up. Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a
Severe thunderstorm warning for. Let's see. Does Madison cover those two counties? Let me check this. No. Oh my god, let me scroll down. Ah, they do! I gotta catch the tornado warning.
Radar indicated.
And I'm glad I've had this tuna. Okay, they're done. Well, I'm glad I got both of those. So we can take a look at this tornado. For Dodge and Fond du Lac. Finally got one of those. Not missed it. Gonna relay or no? There you go. You listen to me. See, stations, they should listen to me a little bit more. Can you not? Don't. I'm gonna miss something probably. Alright, let's see if I missed anything in that fray. Flash flood warning, don't care. Yeah, I didn't miss anything. It's been good to get WHA back in action. IEMBot, can we not? I said shut up. Alright, here's hoping I didn't miss anything. Oh my god, they issued a tour. Well, they're not going to relay that now because of this. Because they issued them too close together. Columbia and Dodge. IEMBot, shut up! I said shut up! Oh my... I'm gonna miss something. Alright, there we go. Let's take a look and see. Let's get squared away and take a look at what we got. Alright, nothing. Oh my god, I missed this. How did I miss this? I mean, that is unless if I check. They are still going. Well, that's a miracle.
Berkeley, Summit, Austin, West Garfield Park, near North Side, North Lake, Stiffney, Crestwood, Avalon Park, Niles, Evanston, Grant. Shore, Roseland, Armour Square, Madison, Hickory Hills, Palatine, Country Club Hills, and Park Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I came really close to missing an SVR for the city. Didn't though. I can't get that one. How many is that in a row? Hold up, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in the last 6 minutes. Oh my god, Milwaukee Sullivan, you are insane.
Already solidified as Republican-led Congress and signed into law by the Republican president for the next 2 years, Supreme Court.
in a mobile home or in a vehicle used to purchase substantial shelter and protection
You guys are starting to see why I can't stand MKX. They issue everything in within like 10 minutes. Then they don't do anything else. And then they issue like 50,000 alerts again. Here's that tour right here. Columbia, Dane, and Dodge. Oh my God, Milwaukee, you son of a... Mid-Wisconsin, you know what I'm saying? Wait, what? Was that 5 EOMs? You guys need to count the number of EOMs and tell me how many you heard in the description on this warning for Columbia, Dodge, Fond du Lac, and Green Lake. You know what? Now I'm done for real. Because Surf Internet is garbage. I had to connect my hotspot just to see what I missed. And this is the SVR I missed because of Surf Internet's incompetence. Oh, and along with it, an SVR for Lake and Porter. Well, since Surf Internet is down, this ends all alert catching for the rest of the day.